To get started on our banana bread oat muffins, we're going to first make a vegan flax egg by mixing some ground flax seeds with water. You can do 2 tablespoons of flaxseed with 6 tablespoons of water to make this thick consistency. We're just going to let it set aside for around 5 or so minutes until it thickens up while we make the rest of the wet ingredients. Okay, so we're going to mash up around 3 large ripe bananas. Make sure they're really ripe, otherwise your banana bread won't be as sweet, and this is perfect for some natural sugars. And we're just going to really mash this up. I would recommend using a fork. I was just using my spatula, but you know, whatever you have on hand is fine. Okay, so to our mashed banana, we can now add in some almond butter. This is great if you don't want to use oil, or if you just want some extra protein added to your desserts. So this is going to be more of a healthy banana bread muffin recipe, but it's so good that I do not miss the regular banana bread that is full of sugar. Okay, so this is also going to be added to our wet ingredients, which is apple cider vinegar, as well as some vanilla extract. Make sure you do some pure vanilla extract. You can also do the flavored one, but I think pure is much better. Okay, so now I'm adding in that flax egg that we made earlier. We're just going to give this all a good mix before we add in our coconut sugar. And coconut sugar is just a healthier sugar overall, so I would recommend looking into that. Okay, so now on to our dry ingredients. I made my own oat flour by putting some oats inside a blender, and now I'm adding 2 cups of that ground oat flour to a bowl, along with some baking soda, baking powder, some salt. We're just going to give that a good mix. Then we're actually going to add in some of the whole oats as well, just for some texture and healthy additives to this muffin. I really like having this option. You can also leave it out if you don't like it though. Okay, so we're also going to add in some chocolate chips. If you don't want any chocolate in your banana bread muffins and you just want them to be banana muffins, that is fine too. But I love some chocolate, so I found some vegan chocolate chips at Trader Joe's, and these are big chocolate chips, so they're really yummy. Okay, so we're giving that a good mix before we put it into our baking tray. I just use a non-stick oil to spray all of it. You can also use lined baking paper in each cup, but up to you. The spray worked perfectly for me. And then once they're out of the oven, this is how they're gonna look. They're super yummy, perfect texture. You don't bake them for very long. You only need like 15-20 minutes for muffins versus bread, which is why I love making muffins. And this is how they look on the inside. They're actually super soft on the inside and kind of crispy on the outside. And so now I'm just plating it up and ready to eat them. You can have this for dessert or for breakfast because they're healthy. And enjoy.